Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am making a spread featuring the new Chic Christmas sticker book from Love Posh that releases on Saturday. I will have all the info on how to purchase this sticker book along with another sticker book. There's a winter version. It's actually a thicker sticker book than this. So there's a winter sticker book that's releasing as well along with this Chic Christmas. I'm going to use this page in here. My patrons, I gave them a few themes in here to choose from, and they picked this theme to do a spread. So that's what I'm going to do, so that way I can use this in a video and show you how I would use this sticker book. I know it's early for Christmas, but you know, I'm all for decorating some spreads for some Christmas stickers. So I pulled some of the stickers. There's actually two pages that coordinate. There's this floral one right here with some ornaments, and then I like the ones with the girls because that matches with this one. There's some more florals here too. So I'm gonna mix these two to make a spread. And then I pulled, there aren't any boxes in this book, so I pulled an older book from Love Posh, Functionally Chic, Red Blooms, because there are boxes in here. And then I just grabbed one of Jojo's just to get some black, because I think black will be pretty to mix in with this like dark red color. I think that's going to be a nice color combo. So that's kind of the look I'm going for this spread. I'm just going to start adding in the stickers. Oops. Like this corner one, I'm just going to put in this corner over here. Start this page off, and then I have this like sidebar kind of sticker for over here. Okay, and then definitely want to do this for the weekend, and maybe with a floral. So I have this piece right here. And do it kind of coming off the page on this side. And then just layer this on top. And then I'm gonna get a black box. One of these. I'm just gonna layer this here. Okay, I want to put some of the girls down too. Let's see if I put this girl. I'm gonna put her here. Just like layered on top. Okay, so that looks good there. I have these cool little snowflakes. I'm gonna add that. There's a cute little bow. It's kind of like a little present, which I think is cute. And then I could actually do a little white out here. Just so you can see it a little better. Okay, perfect. Cute. Alright, so I got that over there. And then I want to do another little cluster on this side. So let me grab another red box, like one of these. I'm going to do this one a little lower. And another black box. Okay, I definitely want to add the ornaments, and I think this girl with the tree is cute. So I could put her here. And then the ornaments here. It's hanging down. Okay. And then I have more snowflakes. Trying to decide if I want to add another girl. I might add another girl. I'm not sure. I'm gonna add more boxes though. Some smaller ones. There's even checklists I can add. Let me get some checklists. Make it more functional, which is good. Do another one over here. Okay. Alright, so let me go back to, because I kind of used most of the stickers I pulled already. So I'm just gonna, oh, and I need more black because I only have like 2 black. Well, I can pull in black like quotes, I guess. Let me go back here and I can put some more florals and some little bows. Like that. I think I need a bigger flower element down here. So let me grab and do this one. I think it should be in the corner. Okay. Let me lift this. Let's see that other girl. Oh no, I ripped my page. Okay, so I should have cut this off first, but thankfully this is just a mock spread, so I can fix that in a little bit. Yeah, definitely cut your excess stickers off because they are very sticky. Okay, so that was a little mistake on my end, but that's okay. I think I'm just gonna keep 3 girls on the page. I feel like that's a good amount. Don't want to like overload it with girls. I think I'll put this one here. And I want to do some more of these like little boa elements. So I think that was a cute little touch. So let me grab another bow. And I can do one down here. This one doesn't look too bad like with the red going through, so I don't have to white it out. So I'm gonna just do that there. Cute. And then I can do another bow up here because it feels a little empty. Thankfully this is red too, so I don't have to worry about coloring it in. And then I can do a few more of the snowflakes. So let me grab these. Let's see, maybe just down here somewhere. I want to cover this up just like this week. Let's just cover that up here. Okay, my poor page. All right, a quote. I think a quote would be good. Oh, and I actually have more of these little ornaments. First, let me grab these. So I can put a couple more of these. Let's see. We'll hang them off of here. Oops. Oh, actually, yeah. And there's a green one here too. Perfect. Cool. And then, let's see. Oh, quotes. Yes, quotes. That'll help tie in some black, which is nice. I like this "'Tis the Season." Let's see, can I fit that anywhere? I'm gonna do it. There's a paper and a clear, so I'm gonna go with clear. Actually, I don't want to put it there. Okay, I'm changing my mind on that one. Let me find a different one. I feel like I need something. Okay, maybe I'll do this Merry Christmas. I need something more like slimmer, I think. Is what I'm going for. Okay, this one just says Merry Christmas. I feel like that doesn't take up too much room here. So that's good. Yeah, I like that. And then let's see, I could do, I really like this sticker. This is like definition for Christmas. Although it is paper, I'm using the paper because I don't want to use the clear, because I want to save that for myself to use in a spread, because I really like that one, so I know I might use it. So I'm just gonna do a little overlap of that there. I think that's fine. I got the Christmas there, the Merry Christmas here, my broken page piece will go over there. Cute. All right, I think, let's see, maybe bullet points, and then I can call it a day. Yeah. Oh, there's even headers. Oh, the book's falling apart. Okay, let's see. I have these nice little bullet points in this book. Sorry, I'm pulling it off on camera. So I'm just pulling the little bullet points off to add. I'm gonna remove one of these. I feel like it's too close to that. Okay, just one more. Do it over here. Cool. I could do washi. Actually, yeah, because I could tie in more black with the washi. So this washi is from Love Posh too. Oh, I hope I have enough. I might have enough. Okay, I'm gonna do this pretty sparingly though, because I don't have a lot of it left. But yeah, it is from Love Posh. And it's a really good striped washi. Okay, so I feel like a little bit there, and then maybe just a little bit on top. And then I should be good. Oops. Okay, yeah, that's a good amount of black for this spread. And then I think I might do, should I do headers? No, I think I like it the way it is. All right, so that is gonna be it for this spread. It turned out really pretty. I like the red and black theme. Yeah, I really like the red and black. All right, cool. So that is Chic Christmas. This is gonna be available to purchase on Saturday. Again, all the info will be down in the description if you're interested in purchasing. And then there's another sticker book that's releasing as well. Definitely check that out. I have flip throughs on my channel of both. So yeah, it's a really good book. Really like it a lot. And then I will make sure to piece this back together. But yeah, that is gonna be it for this spread. Thank you so much, or for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video.